How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. In order to do that, open up your Facebook app first. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, simply head over to your menu icon by tapping top right. And then tap on your profile icon to head over to profile. Once you have done that, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see posts, photos, and videos. Simply head over to videos, and all of your reels that you've posted previously will be here. So let me just tap on this one with the moon. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and tap on the three lines at the bottom right. And as you can see here, there you cannot see the edit icon on the reel. So to do that, just go back to your profile again and go back to your posts. So you are going to have to do it with the post and not with the videos. So scroll down a bit until you find that exact video. So here is this one. Tap on the three lines at the top right, and then you have an option to edit post. And right at the bottom, you'll find this blue icon to tag people. Choose a friend that you want to tag, and then just go back. And once you have done that, here as you can see, I've tagged this person on the top. Now don't forget to tap on the save option at the top right, and you'll be good to go. Now you have successfully tagged someone on Facebook Reel after posting. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.